Charlie's outside with his sister Chloe. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Chloe.
Hi, Chloe.
My brother Charlie.
My friend Charlie.
And my mommy.
My mama.
And what are you doing?
And my car.
Very good. And what's your brother doing?
Play a toy.
Very good.
We have no toys.
Me? I don't have toy. I'm holding the camera so I can see what you're doing. You get excited. Charlie Bear!
Mommy, we have toys.
You have plenty of toys. You have plenty of toys.
2 toys.
You have 2 toys?
Yeah.
Okay. You're silly. Charlie. Charlie Bear. I know you're avoiding the camera because you don't like the flash, but I'm not even taking a picture.